भारत जहां कोविड-19 की दूसरी लहर के प्रकोप से जूझ रहा है, अब स्थिति धीरे धीरे सही दिशा की तरफ बढ़ती दिखाई दे रही है, जिसमें न केवल भारत सरकार, न केवल बहुत सारे राज्य सरकारों, न केवल भारत के पब्लिक और प्राइवेट दोनों ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस को श्रेय जाता है, वहीं भारत से बाहर रहने वाले भारत प्रेमियों को भी कहीं ना कहीं उसका श्रेय जाता है। और इस कड़ी में आज हम आप तक पहुंचा रहे हैं एक ऐसी प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस का अंश जिसमें भारत प्रेम को लेकर इस चुनौती वाले काल में भारत की मदद करने की बात को लेकर नसा काउंटी में पॉलिटिकल रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स, कम्युनिटी लीडर्स गुरु नानक दरबार स्थल जो हिक्सविल में है वहाँ पर इकट्ठा हुए। प्रस्तुत है इस प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस का ये अंश।
This is about helping others, and I want to appreciate and thank Jennifer and merchants and her husband who initially agreed to do this, and because they care. So it is about serving the people. It's not about what I'm getting out of it. It is more important the people who care just like me.
We gathered here today at the Sikh temple Guru Nanak Darbar in Hicksville to drum up support for India, which is passing through an unprecedented crisis because of the COVID-19. We know very well how people have been losing lives, and it's a very tragic situation there. And today, Nassau County legislators, community leaders, religious organizations, the media, we all got together, and it was done under the aegis of Friends of Health, an organization which is headed by Bobby Kaloti here.
Nassau is extremely proud of our South Asian community. It is a community that's compassionate, a strong community, but most of all, it's blessed with strong, great leaders in all fields of occupations, from government to medicine to business, and many of those leaders are here today. So we, along as governmental officials, along with our legislators and all the leaders here today, pledge our commitment to do what we can to gather the resources that are needed for in India, PPE, oxygen for the medical know-how. We must get this done. We must make a difference, and together I know that we can help our brothers and sisters in India and relieve them of this terrible tragedy. So God bless all of you, and thank you for.
We pray for all of them, but the Indian community was so wonderful to all of us here when we needed help, when we needed PPE, when we needed all the money that we had to do to make sure we addressed issues here while we were going through the height of the pandemic here in the United States and certainly here in Nassau County.
This is an opportunity for us to pay it forward. As the United States is emerging from our battle with COVID, we hopefully for the last time, it's an opportunity for us to actually reach out a helping hand to those in need in India and South Asia. And it's wonderful that we're marshaling the resources. I want to thank you, Bobby. I want to thank you for your leadership. And it's an opportunity for us to help. We've been saying all along during the course of this pandemic that we're in this together, and this is an opportunity for us again to demonstrate that to our friends in India and Southeast Asia. So thank you.
What a wonderful outpouring today in both the public sector, and you have our legislators, our majority legislator leader, Rich Nicolello, you have the private sector, you have Kiwanis clubs, Rotary clubs, religious leaders coming together for one cause. And that is the cause to help the South Asian community. We are in a devastating situation. We need to send our prayers. I appeal to each and every one of you, please, whatever you can do, this is our opportunity, as Legislator Rose said, is to give forward. So may God bless everyone, and may God bless India.
The need for the hour is great. And I think everybody has come together to help India in this crisis. The most important thing, I'm glad that all the politicians are here. When we had the crisis, Governor Kuma was able to get mechanical ventilators. A lot of them are lying around in Albany, and I would like you people to make a appeal to the governor to release those ventilators for India. That'll be a big help because there's a big requirement for ventilators. And to all my friends here, no contribution is small. please contribute generously so they can get together and overcome this crisis. Thank you.
We request our President Biden and Vice President Kamala Harris and all the elected officials, please help India during this difficult time and save the largest democracy on this earth. Thank you very much.
Straight message to everybody, say please come out and help something. Money is worth, money can buy everything. So if you pay something, whatever it is, as Bobby says, millions of dollars, but we can collect whatever it can be. So please come forward and write a check, send it to the India, and this is our big help as a humanity. So thank you very much. I'm appealing again one more time. Please come forward and help. Just simple, help, help and help. Thank you.
So all Sikh community, even Barbara told before that in India, Sikh Gurdwaras, Sikh people are helping all those people with the oxygen, with the food. And from here in Queens and Long Island, our community member, they have arranged some oxygen concentrator and they are sending to India. So at this point, we need help of everybody. All the officials are here. So India need oxygen, ventilator, and all the equipment that is needed. And this is a request. And I want to thank Bobby Kumarji for arranging this event. Thank you very much.
Last year, when America was going through COVID crisis, India was the first country to come and help. Now the time has come to help us. I would also urge Governor Cuomo that you have lot of stuff lying in your warehouse. Try to share it with them. Each dollar is very important. Each oxygen, each generator saves life.
We need every dollar that anybody can send to India for us to mobilize help from here. There are many doctors, many associations ready, but we need the money, so please help.
The saga of this corona is not finished yet, and we have to be still very strong about the safeguards because we don't know when it can back into United States again. So please keep your distancing, keep your masking, and keep your social get-togethers in a minimal. Thank you very much.
There's a lot of suffering going on in India. We have a large office in Chennai. We speak to these people every day, and we know that they're really suffering. They need help. They need oxygen. They need ventilators. They need supplies. We're sending over care packages right now to them because everything is going to help.
We just want to make sure that other people see it. Other people do whatever they can to assist with it, and more people get involved. The better it is, the more outreach it is, the better it is for everyone. More money we raise, help India.
Our country need equipments, oxygen concentrator, masks. They need this supply. That's what ventilators. So we are trying to arrange these one as much as we can do it. And all these organizations, they are working hard and they are sending it.
अपने लेवल पे जो भी हम कर सकते हैं, सेवा कर सकते हैं, जैसे भी कर सकते हैं, खाना भेजना है, या हमें पैसे भेजने हैं या ऑक्सीजन कंसंट्रेटर भेजने हैं, पीपीई भेजना है, कुछ भी, या अगर हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते तो हम ऊपर वाले को दुआ कर सकते हैं. हम मांग सकते हैं ऊपर वाले से कि भाई हमारे हिंदुस्तान में खुशहाली हो और जो ये बीमारी आई है ये दूर हो.
This is our adopted land, but that's our motherland where people are suffering.
So like I said earlier also, my salute, my gratitude and my regards to everyone who is praying or helping or at least trying to help people in India at this time. Humanity needs help.
Medicine से भी ज़्यादा कभी-कभी जो prayers हैं वो help करती हैं. अभी ये देखिए मेरी family में 15 लोग से भी ज़्यादा बीमार हैं, positive हैं और साथ में 2 death last week में हुई हैं. लेकिन मजबूरी है कि ना तो हम वहाँ जा सकते हैं और ना कुछ कर सकते हैं, लेकिन हम कलेक्टिवली ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस जो हम इकट्ठा करके जो हम मटेरियल और सप्लाईज भेज रहे हैं वो कर सकते हैं, लेकिन जब घर पहुँचते हैं तो सिर्फ प्रेयर कर सकते हैं.
प्लीज़ हेल्प फॉर आवर इंडियन फैमिली एंड फ्रेंड. थैंक यू.
At Indo-American Community Voice is taking the baby step. It started recently. We are collecting money to set up a oxygen plant at Bangalore. We need money, so whatever the money you can give, it is going to go for the good cause. Here is the account, Indo-American Community Voice, JAL account, 516-965-2931. Once again, open your heart, open your wallet, Please help the people. Please help the mankind.